guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you another kit by the lovely Banya at SS Digital Studio. She asked if I would do a Christmas journal with a couple of her kits, and I am super excited to do that. I wasn't planning on doing another Christmas journal this year, but I've sort of got the bug. So one more, that's it. My plan is to have it finished by, the weekend after Thanksgiving. So if you're interested, you should be able to then get it in time, hopefully. If you want to use it for a December daily, you would probably have it by December 1st, maybe, hopefully. Anyway, so I have two kits that I'm going to be using, but this is the main journal kit. So I wanted to show you this. And then the other kit that I'm using creates a gorgeous like pocket folio notebook. And I'll show you that kit, at the beginning of the process video that I'm going to do with that kit. So this is the Wreath Journal Page Kit, and it is absolutely fabulous. There are 20 total pages. I printed them all onto ivory cardstock this time. So I'm just going to go through and show you how pretty they are. I love just like the subtle colors and everything. And then you've got like these pops of bright color here and there. Just gorgeous. And then more, a more subdued wreath. It's just so much, I think it's gonna be so much fun to add, some like colored lace and things. And yeah, it's really a neat kit. Nice lined pages. And then those are all the journal pages. And then we have the ephemera pages. Very pretty. So I will link to Banya's shop and to these specific kits, or this specific kit, in the description box below, so you can go and check her out. She's got some really neat, fun things in her shop. Really pretty digitals. All right, guys, that's it. Real quick little video there. But I will be back soon, like I said, with the process video for the folio kit that I'm going to try and incorporate into this journal. We'll see how that goes. I have an idea in my head, but sometimes, it doesn't translate well into reality. But we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, I hope you're having a fabulous day. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.